very important, but I don't want you to get upset, alright? Just promise me you won't get upset or have a seizure or something.
Come on, babe. I'm in the bathroom, and I really don't have that much time. I gotta go by my grandma's house. Just in case you're wondering why I gotta go by my grandma's house, it's because she's crippled. Yes, she is crippled. Now, what do you have to say?
Well, I'm pregnant. You heard me?